This seems like a discussion you all have had or what?
It depends where the mind is.
I think Rahul has understood all of you.
Rahul should answer that.
No, why should I answer?
They're not prepared for this answer.
Oh, this is not a predictable question.
This was no, it was absolutely predictable.
Okay, so
you've answered it so many times that now we don't feel like answering.
Oh, that's very clever. Put me on the back foot. All right, then let me ask you about your career. Are you surprised that things did not work out the way everyone expected after Rang De Basanti happened for you and Siddharth and Sharman?
No, I find it strange that people want to do postmortems at the beginning of our careers. We've just started and we've got like a long way to go.
How many years has it been?
It's been 4 years for Rang De Basanti now.
Okay.
And I'm about like 5-6 films old now. So I've just started, I'll do postmortems at the end of my career, not at the beginning. And
You're happy with the way things are
yeah,
right now?
I'm really happy. Like Shah Rukh Khan would say, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. So it's just begun and I'll look back at it at some other time.
Sanjay, are you surprised at the censor problems that Lama has run into?
I'm not surprised.
Does it ever surprise you when you read about the censor issues that some of our films run into? I mean,
Yeah, it does surprise me, and I feel the censor board should have people from the industry than having people from the outside looking at what we do. Because I'm not going to be sitting in an operating theatre and telling the doctor what to do. He knows what to do. So I don't want to be told by people who don't relate with cinema. This is to be done or this is not to be done. So I think the board should be within the industry. And we should censor our movies.
you mean everyone, all the committees?
Yeah, the whole committee should be industry based, from the film industry.
Okay.
I mean, not a doctor and not a teacher and stuff like that, because we don't do that. We don't go to a school and tell the teacher 1 second, I'll teach.
That's true, yeah, this is really...
But are you comfortable with cuts even if the industry is responsible for making these decisions? Or
If cuts are required, but it depends on what kind of cuts are there. Like Spielberg said, if you cut my film in India, I'm not going to release it.
But do you think it's fair for any film to be cut? I mean, at the end of the day, it's the
Yeah, of
director's
course.
vision.
It depends. I don't know. It depends. You have your grades, you have your U and UA and A and everything like that. So, you can have your cuts and you can, I don't know, different genres, different films,
What's your take on that, Bipasha? Are you comfortable with a rating system?
We should have like an age limit and we should grade it accordingly. I don't know how much of this A and UA and all helps, because finally I know that there's so many films that I have done which are A and that they've been seen by children.
Yeah.
So it is actually, I don't know what kind of censorship it is. I have no sense of understanding of it.
I think anybody really has a problem with censorship, We're all, it's not like...
should be banned.
Okay, we have one person that has a problem with censorship now.
See more violence on TV.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Television should be censored if at all anything else.
Actually, you see more violence in the news now, actually.
What is the problem with the promo of Lamha that you've said?
There are two things which were said. One is that welcome to Kashmir, one of the most dangerous place in the world, and also the most beautiful. They didn't want the word most in the film. Dangerous is fine, most is not. And the other one was Anupam Kher saying, हम ये फर्जी election नहीं चाहते. So they didn't like the word फर्जी. So those were beeped out.
When I saw Parzania and we read about all the trouble that Rahul went through with Parzania, I thought, this man will either want to retire after the hell he's been through, or he'll want to make one safe masala film with songs and dances and no political issues. Did you think, what was your reaction when he said, this is the film that I'm going to make? Again, a political hot potato.
Which I keep on cracking on Rahul all the time. I used to tell him, before you die, you finish this film fast, before they kill you. I used to say this, dubbing kar lo, chalo release kar do, isko marne se pehle. No, but he's a good guy, he's passionate, he's a good filmmaker. He has done a lot of research to make this film, and we have been in much more comfortable positions than him.